Are you struggling to access Manga Owl? In that case, you are at the right place as we have the solutions you need. This is the Windows Club. Manga Owl is the go-to website for reading manga comics online. It has an extensive and diverse collection. However, recently some of our subscribers are asking us if there is any issue with Manga Owl as they cannot access it. And we have seen the same across different online forums as well. So, let's uncover the solutions to fix and access Manga Owl website and read your favorite comics. Solution 1. Use the backup website. Due to piracy-related complaints, the actual website may be banned in your country. In that case, you will find it difficult to access this website. Here, a potent alternative is using the backup website. Once you search manga online, the first website in your search result will be the backup website. So find it and enjoy. Solution 2. Check the internet connection. A slow and unresponsive internet connection can also be the reason of your troubles with accessing this website. Usually, this issue resolves itself over time, but you can also use third-party tools to check the status of your internet connection. Also, you can reboot the router and modem to reset your internet connection. Solution 3. Check the status of the Manga Owl server. In case your internet connection is working fine, but you are still struggling to access Manga Owl, then there is a chance that the actual problem is with the website itself. Now to check this, you can use any third-party website and see if the servers of Manga Owl are down or if there are any other issues with the website. Solution 4. Change the browser. Another easy solution to resolve this crisis is using a different browser. Sometimes an old version of the browser or other technical issues may not enable you to open certain websites. So, either update your current browser or try a different one to see you can access the website or not. Solution 5. Temporarily disable the antivirus and Windows Defender firewall. Sometimes the antivirus you are using or the Windows Defender firewall unnecessarily blocks websites, citing them as threats. Now to find out, you can disable the antivirus and Windows Defender firewall and see whether you can access the Manga Owl or not. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.